are not integrated, that we have to realize. Our mind works in one way, our heart works in another way, our liver works in another way. As I told you, I am quite surprised that when they have told that don't drink, those people who follow these religions still go on drinking. But apart from that religion, forget it. They see a man going into a pub and falling and faltering, coming out, still they enter into the same to get to the same situation. Why? Because the mind tells them not to do it. Mind says don't go. The brain says don't go. But their heart is weak. They cannot. The habits. All the habits come through this kind of disintegration. We are so disintegrated within ourselves that if a person wants to do something, he just does the opposite of it. And that is the reason why we accept this kind of juxtapositions in life, what was told by him about music and about everything. Music has come out of God's love to us. Anything that is not for God's love is not music. I'll give you an example. There was a lady who used to do some sort of a qawwali. And I was on the censor board, I censored her qawwalis. And I said, this is not a qawwali. She said, why? I said, this is called as mujra. This is horribly sensuous and horrible thing. It's an insult of God. You can't sing like that. So she said, no, this is qawwali. I said, do you know qawwali was never sung by women and was never done in this dirty fashion, the way like a prostitute you are singing this qawwali. Is always, all the music was in the praise of God. And that's why Muhammad Sahib said that all the music should be in the praise of God and should not be. So we had other things like naat and all that. But you find, even at the time of Sri Krishna, all the music was to be just done for rasa. Ra is energy, sa means sahib. With Radha, they were playing together, playing rasa, and that's how they were doing the circulation of the energy to integrate themselves and singing the music. It is for that. But you find that people don't understand. They use music for sensuousness. It is anti-God. This music force has come to us to praise God. That's all, for nothing else. For doing all kinds of dirty things and singing all kinds of funny things. Imagine, and the reaction is built in so much. When he said that all the music should be in the name of God, we have a person like Aurangzeb who would not take to any music. He was such a staunchy fellow. And the other Muslims who came in would not sing anything that is qawwali or anything, would sing horrible ghazals, which are just describing the separation of a woman and a man and all kinds of dirty